What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Bose noise canceling 700 headphones I picked up on Amazon for $3.99. They were 400 bucks, I believe. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. Now I will say that I actually forgot what color I ordered. I don't know if they came in silver or black. I actually didn't even really pick a color. I kind of just bought them. These are really hot. These are a really hot pair of headphones right now. They're being reviewed all over the place, and today we're going to be taking a look at them. Like I said, I don't know if I ordered the black or the white pair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box here and see what color they are. So we'll keep the knife off to the side there. Not sure that we're going to need it again. And they came in black. So we've got them in black. They're very nicely packaged up here. They look like they came straight from Bose's warehouse, to be honest with you, but really I got them from Amazon. So I ordered these last night. They didn't take any longer than a day to get in, which is really awesome. What's really great about ordering from Amazon Prime is obviously, you know, they do come in next day. So these are the noise canceling headphones 700. They have Bose AR, which is augmented reality for audio. You're really not getting much on the back. It says Google Assistant, Alexa built in, made for iPhone, iPad, iPod. You know, it's been forever since I've seen this marking, made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. That really looks like something that would belong on an older pair of headphones from something like the mid 2000s, right? But nonetheless, here they are. Now, what's really nice about getting the black pair is that the black pair will match the case. So you get this really premium leather case here. It's not real leather, of course, but you get it nonetheless. And it unzips very nicely here. You got the Bose logo embossed on the front there. I actually can't wait to see how these sound. These are actually a really nice looking pair of headphones. So aside from the headphones, we'll put these off to the side for a second there. You get a really nice piece of cardboard cutout here that actually shows you how they work so that you can basically turn them on and start listening to them right away. Of course, you have to connect them to Bluetooth first, but as you can see here, the touchpad works to turn the volume up or down, play, pause, take and receive calls, and it's also letting you know that it is on the right-hand side. The trackpad is located on the right-hand side of the headphones, which is actually really convenient and nice to know. And of course, they want us to download the Bose Music app. Nonetheless, you get this secondary flap here, which is really nice, and it's actually magnetic, so it closes shut securely, which is nice. And then of course, this whole case zips down, so you don't really have to worry about anything falling out. Unfortunately, you get a 3.5mm to a proprietary headphone jack here. I am going to directly compare these to the Sony WH-1000 XM3 solely for the fact that I have not tried the Bose QC35-2s yet. Maybe I'll get the Bose QC35-2s in-house. Maybe it's a little bit illogical that I'm doing these headphones before the Bose QC35-2s. Nonetheless, these were $400. The Bose QC35s were $350. But what's actually really nice and what's a nice modern touch is the fact that you do get USB Type-C. So if you want to charge them using like your phone charger, so like if your phone charger, like the Google Pixel 3a for instance, which I have, uses USB Type-C. So if I want to just carry one charger in my backpack. So what's really nice is you get the case, it matches the headphones. Now what's actually beneficial about getting the black noise canceling 700s over the silver is, like I said, the fact that it will match the case. These are a gorgeous pair of headphones, very simple. Some other reviewers were pointing out online about the very modern and futuristic hinges that you get on these noise canceling 700s. So they sort of slide up and down. They rotate around this axis, so to speak. The buttons really are sort of stealthy. They are disguised within the headphones themselves, like I said, these are very plain and simplistic. You get the Bose logo, and actually they are so simplistic and plain and futuristic looking that I'm actually sort of disappointed that the Bose logo is on the side. I at least wish the Bose logo was on the top of the headband there where it's not visible, so at least you knew that they were Bose, but not anyone else knew. Nonetheless, you get the Bluetooth connection button here, and a sort of indiscreet button right here, which I am going to assume is the power button because the other buttons are not marked or labeled in any way. And last but not least, you get that proprietary headphone port on the bottom, which I wish was 3.5, but what's actually really nice about it being proprietary is the fact that it is a smaller port, so it won't stick out or it won't be as noticeable. It really does make these look a little bit stealthier and a little bit more disguised and discreet. These are really thin. The drivers themselves are not big or bulky. These look like they will fit on your head very nice and very, you know, headphones can tend to look a little bit obnoxious from time to time, especially as an adult. But I think these being as slim and as narrow and as really good at noise canceling as they are, you won't have any problems with blocking out haters. Let's go ahead and get these connected. Okay, so first and foremost, right off the bat, the Bluetooth button is actually the power button and the pairing button at the same time. So when you turn on the Bluetooth button, it actually connects to this app right away. So we'll go ahead and we'll add the product, Bose Noise Cancellation 700 headphones. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and we'll throw them on our head. Right off the bat, the noise cancellation is activated and it is terrific. These headphones are extremely comfortable. I can hardly hear myself speak. Well, I can hear myself speak pretty well, but I don't hear the echo or the reverberation of my voice, which is actually very impressive. So my voice is actually very muted. So as you can tell, you can adjust the noise cancellation from 10 all the way down to 0. If I turn them down to 0, I can actually hear the reverberation and the echo of my voice. So there's absolutely no noise cancellation whatsoever at 0. At 1, it gets gradually, my voice starts to fade away a little bit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the further I go along the line, the less and less you can hear my voice echoing and reverberating throughout the house. So like, I don't have any sound paneling. This is really not like a professional studio here, but it actually serves as a really great place to test out noise cancellation headphones because I can hardly hear myself talk. These are awesome. And I think that when you're listening to them, you're gonna wanna listen to them at a level 10. To actually put things into perspective for you guys, I would actually say that on this scale that Bose has created for their own noise cancellation headphones, the fact that the Bose Noise Cancellation 700 headphones can go up to a level 10, I would say that something like the QC35-2s probably reside at level 8, and something along the lines of the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, they probably reside somewhere on the set at 7. I don't expect these to be like the best sounding headphones. I think they're really oriented towards traveling and towards listening comfortably, and let you guys know what I think about them. These are an extremely comfortable pair of headphones. The noise cancellation factor, once you throw music into the equation, is like out of this world. There's absolutely nothing around you can hear. If you're gonna use these for traveling, these are a great pair of headphones. And you know what? The build quality of them is actually fantastic. I was actually thinking about the durability of this sort of ball joint slider mechanism that is used for the ear cups themselves to adjust them and so that they can pivot around your head. So if you're someone with an awkward head shape. Anyways, these are a really cool pair of headphones. A little bit on the pricey side, 400 bucks. The sound quality isn't going to blow you away, but the comfortability, the audio quality is very good. The noise cancellation is very good. I think they look great on the head, really, I do. I think the slim profile and getting them in black is the way to go. Silver might be a little bit too much. It might be a little bit too, hey, look at me. I think black is the way to go with these. The touchpad on the side, on the right-hand side, that you can use to turn the volume up and turn the volume down, phenomenal. Exactly the way I want a touchpad on my headphones to work and to operate. Double tap to play, pause, single tap to answer and receive calls. It does work with Amazon or the Google Assistant. I picked them up on Amazon for $3.99, which makes them a convenience good. My name is John. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.